And yeah. Alright, motherfuckers, this is Mark. And you guys know I was traveling around Nicaragua for a while. I closed my office in Managua. I was looking for a better place to live. And I'm here. A beautiful young lady I met on Owatepe found this house by the beach. And I'm living here. And this guy happens to be my neighbor. So just, if you guys don't know who I am, my name is Mark Augustine. I've sold in 4 different marketplaces over the past 10 years. And sold $20 million on those businesses. So cheers. So who are you? Introduce yourself to YouTube. Who the fuck? Where are you from?
What's up, YouTube? I'm Garrett from Hawaii, the island of Oahu. 27 years old. Just came out here to Nicaragua, surf and travel.
Nice.
With this legend right here who's been kind of guiding the way, showing us the paths, to have a good time here. And we've just been searching for waves and adventuring and having a good time and trying to, travel, see new things, new waves, new people, and yeah, it's been awesome time so far. And he has, wealth of information of ways to make money that I have no idea. So I have lots of questions of what,
Right, so the purpose of this video, you guys who follow me for a long time know that I don't really edit this shit. So he's a beginner dropshipper. He doesn't know dick about dropshipping. Yeah. With all respect and love, right? He doesn't know anything about dropshipping. But, so give us some background. You work, you studied, what's your story? How old are you? And I'm asking because the guys watching the video might think, okay, maybe you know stuff about e-commerce or whatever. He's literally going to ask me some basic questions. Yeah. And our goal is to set a plan together within 5 to 10 minutes on the easiest way to make $5,000 a month online dropshipping. But just give some context about what you studied, the way you worked before and all that stuff.
Yeah, so I studied university in Hawaii in biology and was doing safety and construction work like that. So a lot of hard work, show up every day, put in your hours, gain your PTO, things like that. And it's not a way you can really make money while you're sleeping, and that's the goal we all want to get, Right. How can we make money when we're sleeping? What's the fastest, easiest way we can make money where we can be having a lifestyle that we enjoy, Okay. So for me, Walmart Marketplace is something that I do not know anything about really at all.
Alright, so wait, so let me explain first. I'm going to tell you, okay, so you're from the United States, right?
Yeah.
You live in Hawaii.
Yeah.
You're on vacation.
Yeah.
Okay. So first of all, what marketplace dropshipping is you selling stuff. Let's say this phone, right? I know I can get this phone on I don't know, let's just pretend Walmart.com.
Yeah.
Or Amazon.com for $600. I'm not buying it. I can upload it on Facebook for $700. After someone gives me the $700, I take it and ship it to them and I make a profit.
Yeah.
And that's dropshipping, and I connected with marketplace dropshipping because you could build your own website and sell stuff, but you have to pay for the traffic. When you sell on eBay, Amazon, Facebook, or Walmart, they're buyers there already. So you just have to figure out what to sell.
Yeah.
You get it? So you have Facebook?
Yeah.
In Hawaii,
yeah.
From Hawaii, right?
Yeah.
Okay. So right now in 2021, the easiest place to dropship on is Facebook Marketplace. But the challenge is when you're traveling, Facebook will tell you you're not there.
Oh.
It's crazy, right?
Yeah. So you can't go.
Yeah. So you have when you try to sell, they take away a little option that allows you to ship. But if you had someone at home that would log into a computer that you logged in before, and you run it remotely from there, you can drop it on Facebook. If the computer is within the US.
Yeah.
Because only the Americans have the option, Americans and people in the UK have the option to sell on Facebook and receive payment by credit card.
Yeah. So really, if you're traveling, then there's no better option from what I'm hearing to be selling things to the US while you're traveling in a foreign country than to be on Walmart Market.
Right. So Walmart.
Oh, okay.
So that's the thing. So eBay and Amazon were kind of old school, right? So eBay is Facebook is taking over eBay. The market. Walmart is taking over the market of Amazon, and Amazon also restricted who you can dropship from. So the two new platforms are Facebook and Walmart. If you're traveling or if you're from any country on earth, you could get approved to sell on Walmart Market.
Yeah. And sell to the US.
Yeah,
easily.
and sell to the US.
That's where you want to be selling to.
Yeah, because that's even if you look at the economy, if you look at how much disposable income people have, how much money people spend, that's Walmart. And the thing about Walmart, you make money two ways. One, you could set up the, when you get approved, there are people willing to buy the account for $7,000 to $10,000.
Yeah.
That's the crazy thing.
Yeah.
So even if you don't want to dropship, you can get a corporation, get approved to sell on Walmart, and there are 2 or 3 groups on Facebook where real humans will buy your Walmart account for $7,000 to $10,000.
Yeah, just to be able to sell on
Yeah,
there.
dude.
And they sell their own product. You're
Right.
not giving them any. Okay.
No, you're giving them. So how you get approved for Walmart? You get a U.S. corporation, tax ID number, DUNS number, all the business stuff. You get a website, you get approved, and you sell it.
So really, to sell your platform, you would obviously need some sort of credibility of showing that you have people that are a lot of people looking at it.
No. So what Walmart does, Walmart approves you based on if you have a U.S. corporation and if you have a website that sells a product that they may not have on the platform. So for example, if you build a website and you have like custom mugs, you're not making it. You just have and then you apply to Walmart to get approved. If you have, there's 17 different things that they look for, they'll just approve you. I mean, I sell. So guys, watching this, there's a link to a course in the description. There are links to a couple things. The Facebook software, FBM Fox, free Facebook training, and the Walmart course is like $1,000, and we have a discount for $500 now. And I'll put the video explaining that. But that's the thing. There are like 17 or 18 different things you have to accomplish to get approved in Walmart. Either actual corporation or LLC. Ideally, it should be more than a year old, but sometimes it's good. You need an EIN number, you need a DUNS number. DUNS number is a credit bureau for businesses in the US. You need a website showing that you sell stuff that Walmart may want. You fill out this application, they go over it, they might ask you some questions, you get approved. Now, and Walmart only has 50,000 sellers on the entire platform. Amazon is gaining 40,000 a month.
Oh my god.
Amazon has like 2 million sellers on the platform.
Wow.
2 or 3 million. Walmart only has 50,000. So that's why this account at Walmart is so valuable.
Yeah, you have just as many people looking at it with less competition.
Exactly. Much less. Much less.
Wow, yeah, crazy much less.
Yeah.
That's insane. So have you found that to get your platform to sell, it's been the easiest with high price products or low price products?
Okay, so to figure out what sells on any marketplace, so I say sell what sells, but you need data. So on Facebook does not provide data. But because Facebook is replacing eBay, you can find things that sell brand new on eBay and sell the same thing on Facebook. And it sells. If it sells multiple times a month on eBay, it will sell multiple times on Facebook. And there's an application that I'm an affiliate for called FBM Fox that does that. On Walmart does not give you data either. But there's an application called OA Genius, which analyzes Amazon and uses that data from Amazon to decide what to sell on Walmart. And because there's less competition, it sells.
Okay, so they're kind of giving you leads.
Right. You're giving an idea what's this idea of actual product. So you go on Amazon, you'll click a couple buttons, you'll see an item that sells like $100,000 a year. Then you do a little research to see where you could find that item other places online for less, and you list it without buying it. So after someone buys it from you, then you go back to the supply and ship it to them.
Yeah. So pretty much what I'm hearing is like with sales, if you're selling something with sales, if you work for a company, they give you leads on who to sell to, on who would want that product. So this is kind of a similar viewpoint, but this gives you a lead on what product is the best thing to sell. Okay,
exactly. And OA Genius is a piece of software that you use for Walmart dropshipping, and FBM Fox is a software that a friend of mine made, and I'm an affiliate too, and that's for Facebook dropshipping. And if the thing is with Facebook, you can literally just connect and start selling. You don't need a corporation or any other drama. With Walmart, you have to go through the process of getting approved. And that can cost, like, the website can cost about $100, corporation, another like $200 or $300. And that's your two biggest costs. You might have a virtual office, which may be $40 a month.
Minor, Yeah.
Right,
Nothing
right,
at
right.
all.
You know what I
Nothing at
mean?
all. But do you find that deters a lot of people from doing it just because there's extra steps in the process?
Yeah, a lot of people don't, and that's why people pay so much money for the account. Because a lot of people
don't want to do the work.
Yeah.
Gotcha. Interesting. It's like good tips, guys. This guy knows what he's talking about right here, you know what I mean?
So with Facebook, if you're based in the United States, if you're watching this video and you're based in the United States, you can start selling on Facebook. I have a free course that teaches you how to do it without software, and I posted a video yesterday explaining how to do it without software.
Yeah.
And if you're based in the US, you should just try it. Like there are other YouTubers with videos about Facebook dropshipping. If you guys watching this, look in the description for all this stuff I have with Facebook dropshipping and Walmart dropshipping. We have a free 7-day trial and 10% off Peppy and Fox. We have the discount for the course and all that stuff. So yeah. So it's 10 minutes. So guys, I gave my brother here some information. You guys got some as well. We are going to be neighbors for maybe about a month.
Yeah.
So chances are you'll see him in upcoming videos.
Yeah, guaranteed you will.
Yeah,
so, guys, we're gonna be doing some sick ass shit, bro.
Yeah, because one of the
we're obviously mobbing around the country, going new places. You guys are gonna see things I think that they'll probably see things that a lot of other people have never seen.
Yeah, because like when I did the video with you guys on the beach, like you guys were in it, and then we got a drone on Monday. So when we're gonna be at the house, we'll do all the like drop shipping stuff. I'll do product research on the computer and share that. But when we go surfing and all that stuff, we'll also share that as well. And guys, if you guys want to come to Nicaragua and like meet us and learn and all that stuff, let me know in the comment section. Also, if you want access to any of the courses, let me know in the comment section. And have a good one, guys. Like the video, subscribe to my channel. Like that, bitch. Peace, guys.
Peace, brothers.